Create a new design and choose, for example, for a 500 by 500 pixel size. Upload or pick the static image you would like to amend the text from. Select the image and press the Edit Photo option. From here, you would be able to press the Magic Studio Grab Text option. Now the text will be extracted from the image, and you will be able to edit it. You could add the graphic as shown here to finalize the image, how it was. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.